going on, yet we aren't doing anything.
Rather than complaining about the problems, it's time to change the world.
So name it down. There are small group of citizens can't change the world.
We will transform this moment into a catalyst of unity and positive change.
We are fully aware that humankind has a responsibility to respect and preserve the delicate balance of nature.
All the plays performed today are dedicated toward the same message, which is power of one. It is rightly said, the strength of the team is each individual member, but the strength of each member is the team. Today we will champions take a pledge to make the cleanliness a habit.
A habit of keeping ourselves physically and mentally clean, including our home, school, surroundings, environment, ponds and rivers.
It's time for a revolutionary change, making India clean. As Woodstockians, we promise ना गंदगी करेंगे, ना करने देंगे.
Our environment is degrading day by day due to plastic as it cannot be destroyed.
As a Woodstockian, we'll stop the use of plastic and make others also aware about the harmful effects of plastic.
We cannot get through the single day without having an impact about the world around us. What we do makes a difference, and we have to decide what we want to make.
कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा। अर्जुन के तीर सा सर, मरुस्थल से भी जल निकलेगा। मेहनत कर, पौधों को पानी दे, बरसात में से भी फल निकलेगा। ताकत जुटा, हिम्मत को आग दे, फौलाद का भी बल निकलेगा। जिंदा रख दिल में उम्मीदों को, घर के संकट से भी गंगा जल निकलेगा। कोशिश जारी रख, कुछ कर गुजरने की, जो है आज थमा थमासा चल निकलेगा। कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा।
Our theme, One the Ultimate Power, gives the message the power of unity. Through this, we want to remind the society the power of being united. No matter what religion we belong to, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Muslimism, any religion, everywhere it's taught that we are one and how to live with love and do not spread hate. We are taught to live in peace, in harmony, and in brotherhood. We, Woodstockians, urge the society to be one and powerful.
Thank you.
Once In Tandurust Punjab tournament organized by Punjab Sports Department, and our 7 judokas got selected for state championship. In state championship, sub-junior and cadet judo state championship, our under 14, 17 and 19 girls and boys teams bagged overall 2 golds, 1 silver and 3 bronze. Our under 17 girls and under 19 boys team remained overall first in 65th Punjab Judo School State Championship in Taran and Gurdaspur respectively. Congratulations to Harmanpreet who clinched a gold in Tandurust Punjab tournament organized by Punjab State Sports Department at Firozpur, and Harleen Kaur for bagging a bronze in National Cadets Judo Championship, Manipur. In badminton, district level championship, the under 14, 17, 19 boys and under 14, 19 girls teams of our school earned overall 5 silver medals, and under 19 girls team swept a gold. I feel proud to announce that Ekam Jyoti of 11th grade participated in Open State Badminton Championship held at Khalsa College, Amritsar, organized by Youth India on 4th August and won a gold. He also bagged the gold medal at 3rd Open National Badminton Championship hosted by Youth and Sports Association of Bihar held on 1st September at Patna. Gaurish of 8th grade got bronze medal in Badminton State Championship. Joy of students had no bound when they participated and got laurels in various yoga competitions. In Punjab School Games, district level competitions are under 14 and 17 boys secured first, and under 14 and 17 girls team secured second position. Rhythmic Yoga State Level Championship Patiala, Tarunpreet stood first, Harpreet first, and Pahulpreet secured second position. 9 students of a school got selected for Punjab level competition, and 3 students got selected for National School Games going to be held at Kolkata in West Bengal. It was once again a proud moment when our school as our students have got laurels by bagging first position in Gurdaspur District Chess Championship held at R.D. Khosla School, Batala. Our volleyball under 17 boys team made to semi-finals in district level competitions. And in Kho-Kho, under 17 boys and girls teams stood 4th in district level championship, Gurdaspur. This year, we presented you all with our annual report in a new form. We hope you liked it. Thank you.
For presenting the annual report. Now I would like to call our adorable chairperson, Dr. Satindrajit Nijjar, to share her motivational words.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think since morning we are watching a wonderful, amazing program. Every item was a class in itself. Every item was amazing, and the best thing was that each item was giving a message. And when you come to address somebody, you always think that you will give this message or that message. But here, our children are giving each and every message. They have covered all aspects of life so beautifully, and that means they are so aware. And when the children are aware, the parents also must be aware. So my congratulations to the principal and the teachers, and above all the students of Woodstock. They have performed wonderfully here. So big round of applause for all of them. Really, not a single student fumbled, and the way they presented, it was full of laughter, seriousness, naughtiness, and with the messages, not alone, and perfect dancing, great dancing you have seen, and at the end, the Weber's dancing, that was really commendable, the one who just danced, and excellent report. I again congratulate Principal Mrs. Nancy and the whole staff and the students for the excellent annual report of the school. And And I am so proud of my Woodstockians and of the Woodstock. And I am so happy that we have been able to bring this school to this caliber. And I'm so proud of everyone. And I would like to especially applaud these young comparers. Please stand up. So really, they have done a marvelous job. They all perform so well. They are acting as leaders. And maybe they have not performed dance or in some skits, but they have done a much, much better job. You also deserve the applause. So everyone, really, I'm really impressed by the comparers. You've done a great job. Congratulations to you and keep it up. Thank you. And especially this tiny master, who is my magic box. You are always a magic box. Thank you. So parents, the most important thing is if we can keep these children fit and healthy. And for that matter, because they can only study if they remain fit and healthy. Two things if you watch. Their health. Of course, everyone looks after the diet. That I don't have to say, but the quality of diet is important. What they eat. Because what they eat is what they are. And what you eat is what you are. So you should be conscious of what you are giving the children to eat. And then the second important thing is their physical fitness. Every child has to stay in the fields, in the ground, in the open, in the sun for about 60 minutes of physical activity is must for these children. So for you also, because you have to act as a role model for these children. So if you just preach and preach, you tell the children to go and play and you yourself do not play, that is not going to have an effect. Parents have to lead by an example. And for you, half an hour of physical activity is must, which you must realize. If you do not wake up now, when after 20 years, you will remember my words. When you come up with either backache or neck pain, मेरे को cervical हो गया है, मेरे को disc हो गया है. This is what they say. मेरे को disc हो गया है, मेरे को cervical हो गया. Because then everyone is going to face these problems. So please wake up soon and do the exercise and take your children along. Maybe in the morning you can get up half an hour early and take the children along. Then definitely that will have a better effect. And the second thing is stay away from the mobiles as much as possible. This addiction is even worse than drugs. Drugs, I just can believe that our children, though we have to be cautious, we have to keep an eye on them, but still they are very sensible, and you also keep an eye on the children, and I don't fear that, but I am scared about the mobile addiction. That is worse than the drug addiction, and you have to take note of my words, because the day has to remain 24 hours. No one can, even whatever wealth, whatever you can do, you cannot increase even 1 minute of the day, what to say about 2 or 3 hours. And if the children, they spend 2-3 hours on the mobile, which I'm sure they are doing it, and most of them are doing it, if we can let them stay away from the mobiles in the school, what is holding you back from taking your children away from the mobiles? I can tell you frankly that these mobiles, when children are having it, they are not using it for their education. They are not searching anything. They are not using it for the studies. They are just using it for social media, for Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, or chatting. So please don't give them smartphones or your own smartphones to the children, and watch out. It's your duty at the home. Whatever we tell them not to do it, you are our eyes in the house, and act like parents. Don't get bored down by the request of the children that, oh, mom, give me for 5 minutes, give me, and that time you realize you have to take the phone back, that will be at least 1 or 2 hours. Games, say no to games, no to mobiles, only on Saturday and Sunday. On weekdays, 100% they should be away from the mobiles. If you want them to shine, if you want them to achieve some height, if you want them to have high percentage and reach in some professional colleges, please let them stay away from the mobiles. Let me ask these children, do you use mobile, or for how much time daily you use mobile? Very less. So that is the difference between a normal child and extraordinary child. So mobiles are the biggest disadvantage, and how that can be possible? That is only possible if when the children are in the house, you also do not use mobile other than calling somebody. If you yourself are busy on the mobile, using WhatsApp or using FaceTime or anybody doing anything, chatting and busy on the mobile, how can you stop your child? Or even if you stop it, do you think that will have any effect on the child? I don't think so. So, very important, you can use it outside the house when the child is not in the home or when the child goes to sleep. And you have to constrain yourself to teach the children that this is of no advantage. So, please listen to this, क्योंकि ये बच्चे बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं. अभी आज का जो प्रोग्राम देखा ना, इसको मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं. और वुडस्टॉकियंस, तुझे रुकना नहीं, तुझे झुकना नहीं, तू है 1 लाखों हजारों में. Really, every Woodstockian is 1 in thousands and lakhs of people. तुझे बढ़ना है तो बढ़ते चलो, but be aware that what you are using and how are you utilizing your time. Time management is very, very important. How many hours are there? If you put money in the bank, you can withdraw it. But can you withdraw your time? Can you withdraw yesterday from today? You cannot take even a single second out of the time you have wasted or you have spent. So you have to be cautious with the time. And these days competitions are so difficult, so high, there is a tough competition, and I have seen the capability in each and every Woodstockian, because they can talk, they can touch the sky, provided they are mentored properly. And teachers are doing their job, but parents also have a job. And their job is to let them do or tell them to do what is necessary for them. So that's why I am telling you frankly that they do not need smartphones. They just need simple Nokia phones, what they were saying it, just to call, just to remain in touch. So even if you have given them, there is no need for internet. And even if they have it, you have to restrict it. Be a firm. You are a parent, and here is, you have to show that you are a parent. You have to prove that you are a parent, and your final saying should be final. If your child should not disobey you, and in case he disobey you, you come to the school and tell us, and then we can help you. We will help you if the child does not listen to you, but you first prove that you are a parent and you are a good parent and you are a helpful parent, and let them sort out with their problems, with their time management, with the phone, and then I am sure they can do anything. लेकिन हौसले और हिम्मत के साथ, I have seen so much confidence in these students, in every student who came on the stage, and I again, in the last, I congratulate them for their wonderful being. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके इरादों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. थैंक यू.
एक पल को तू नजर झुका तेरा साथी मेरे कदमों के है निशान। तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा। Music speaks what cannot be expressed, soothes the mind and gives it rest, heals the heart and makes it whole, moves from heaven to the soul. So now, hold your breath as we Woodstockians are bringing onto the stage a fusion of music from different musical instruments as a mashup. So welcome them with a huge round of applause. च किसे तो
ते आईयां बन बन डारा
महफिलां गीतां दियां लाइयां
ते मेहर करी मेरे साइयां
विच बटाले दे वुडस्टॉक दियां मुटियारा आईयां लौट बहारा आईयां लौट बहारा
ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਜ਼ੋਰਦਾਰ ਤਾੜੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਗਿੱਧਾ
लंबड़ा दे बेड़े जागो जगमग जगमग जगदीन कहलो लंबड़ा दे बेड़े मम्मी शायर ते बैगी साइकिल दे कुत्ते ई साइकिल ना ते कदी इधरले पासे ते कदी उधरले चढ़ा लिया साइकिल रोए ते अस्सी दा टिकट धम्म नी जीजा तोड़ा साइकिल तो टिकिया सी गश खा के जीजा तोड़ा साइकिल तो टिकिया सी गश खा के सोरे जाता जाता टुर गया गिटा तड़ा के सोरे जाता जाता टुर गया गिटा तड़ा के नी मैं मर जा नी ये तो होर माड़ी होगी जीजे ना फेर केड़ा टिकिया जाके लागे मेरे पेकियां ते परौं चारी घोटने कहंदा रोटी नहीं जे खांदा मुर्गा लियाओ मुर्गा नी फेर तां लियाता ही होना मुर्गा मैं क्या मेरे वीरे घट केड़े घट सी पहला ओनू मुर्गा बनाया धोवे घट बना के पहला ओनू मुर्गा बनाया धोवे घट बना के फेर वीराने कुटिया कुटिया लम्मा पा के फेर वीराने कुटिया कुटिया लम्मा पा के जीजा तोड़ा आके मैं ना सोचूं गन्ना खा के जीजा तोड़ा आके मैं ना सोचूं गन्ना खा के जीजा तोड़ा आके मैं ना सोचूं गन्ना खा के जीजा तोड़ा आके मैं ना सोचूं गन्ना खा के ते कोई बोलती डाली ते कुकियां ते कोई बोलती डाली ते कुकियां तेरे दे विच वजे डोकी तेरे दे विच वजे डोकी मामी कोंदी लुटियां तेरे दे विच वजे डोकी मामी कोंदी लुटियां तेरे दे विच वजे आया ककरे रेशमी पाके धूड़ बनी बेलना ने आया ककरे रेशमी पाके धूड़ बनी बेलना ने आया ककरे रेशमी पाके धूड़ बनी बेलना ने आया ककरे रेशमी पाके तेरे नाली ना तुम्हारी नाद के तेरे नाली एक धूड़ दी रोड़ी नी तेरे बच्चियां की जोड़ी छोड़ के नसीब का वाले नी जागो तेरे मुक्की हाय छोड़ के नसीब का वाले नी जागो तेरे मुक्की हाय छोड़ के नसीब का वाले नी जागो तेरे हाय छोड़ के नसीब का वाले नी जागो तेरे मुक्की हाय छोड़ के नसीब का वाले नी जागो तेरे मुक्की हाय छोड़ के नसीब का वाले नी जागो तेरे मुक्की वाह
पिड़ों दे हो घरे दाने दाने हो दाने बेच जट मेले आ गया ते खूब जवानियां माने मेले विच ढोल ते निगारा वजदा होया आगे